Yo, it's Dirty Dan the Man, and we're back for another video. Today we're going to be installing a Mangoal Dashcam, and it's going to go in the M235i. So this is a OEM Dashcam that's going to replace the OEM under the mirror. We're going to install this, and yeah, it's supposed to give a OEM look with a Dashcam, which is super good if you don't want to have the big bulky camera under. I'm supposed to do it for the M6 as well, but they sent in the wrong one, so I'm waiting for a replacement so I could put the exact one that goes on there. So stay tuned and let's get this going. So this is what's in the box. It's the same thing because you guys haven't seen it. You guys didn't see the other videos. So some zip ties to hold the cables in when it's in there, and then that's the dash cam itself for every OEM. So that's gonna replace this. Gonna replace this. So once we take that off, you guys will see how that's there. So this is the rear dash cam for the back, and this is gonna be mounted to the back. Really easy connection. And then we have a pry tool, a SD card which comes in clutch because most of these dash cams don't come with that. And this is gonna be the hardwire connection. So let's get into the install. And once again, shout out to Mangoal for the sponsorship for this. So let's get this recording. You guys see here, 2 series, little cover. You take that off obviously, and all the plugs, and then it has this GPS optional plug that I have no clue what it is for. It doesn't even say in the instructions. And then you put your SD right here. So let's start taking that off and we'll go from there. You just pop the clips, and there's little clips in there. You see it just comes out that easy. These are the clips themselves right here. And just pop it off. Make sure you don't break it off if you ever wanted to go back, but I don't see where you want to go back. So let's begin the process of installing the dash cam. And let's see, where can I put this at? Where I can stand. It's gonna slide away. Maybe there.
Can you see it?
Right here, put it right here.
Right here, and then
Oh yeah, right there. Alright, so technically we don't have to take off the mirror. You could take it off if you wanted like more space and like leverage, but you don't have to. So
I'm guessing you pop these.
Yeah, you're gonna pop these off. You don't have a flathead by any chance?
Maybe in a trunk.
Yeah, these just pop out. See, this one had glue in this one, because I already took off the one in my M6, but it didn't fit. This is like perfect for this one. It was the same shape as the OEM cover that it has. So you're basically just gonna pop these all the way through to install it in there. So yeah, you just... I don't think it's from there. I think it's more like
middle.
So the only thing that pops out is like, you see the little square shaped thing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, me too. I was like super careful, not trying to break it off. Yeah, yours had a lot of glue in there. Light this down, and there you go. It's that easy. You might need a little, power to pull it down. Just be careful and disconnect that. This is just what goes into the rear mirror itself, and yeah. So now you're gonna disconnect this little burgundy tab, and connect. No, I lost it. Oh yeah, this. We'll connect this red one. It's not even focusing, but this red one into right here, and this is going to be our power source. So the little red tab, you pull it out. There you go. You're having a hard time doing it, you could be using like one of these little hook thingies. So that could help out. And then you're gonna connect that red tab into there. And then you're gonna connect that one into this one. See, so it goes like this. Again, this is gonna go into that. And this is gonna go into the power plug right here. It's not focusing, so this is gonna go into here. There it goes. It's connected, and then that's a GPS line that it says here if you want to get it, but I'm not sure what that is for. And then that is gonna be for the rear camera. So let me get this out of the bag. I'm gonna open the bag. Yeah, so see this connection right here. This is gonna go into that, and then we're gonna wire this to the back of the car. You definitely do not need 4 pair of hands to do this, but since we're recording this, I'm trying to get all angles so you guys can see, it would be best. 2 different angles.
Can't even see.
So maybe I lied about not needing 4 hands. This is a little difficult here, but you guys see, pretty much OEM. Just for the camera right there, SD goes in there. So now this is the rear part of it, and all that's gonna get tucked into the back. Pretty simple install. Just wish it was non-hot today, it was colder. But shout out to Mangoal for this. This dash cam looks pretty good. OEM, doesn't look too bulky. So now let's see once it's all done and said, and we'll see how it looks. So the whole wire goes through there. You guys can even see it through there a little bit because the little tags are popping out. So we just went through here, through this whole pillar, and then down, and then in here. We didn't take this off because we don't want to break this, so we just tucked it in here, and it's gonna be tucked into the back, and it's gonna be, guessing, well, you guys can't even see here, but it'll be right under the 3rd brake light. But this is what it looks like from the outside. You guys can see it right there. Pretty much OEM all the way. And in here, OEM all the way. Looks really good. All the cables tucked in. We tucked it in through here. Yes, I'm holding my camera because it died again. And this is the weather strip, so we just went down all the way down to here, and then back through here into the back seats of the car. To the back seat, all through the back, and you guys see it back there. It's looking nice. Make sure you guys don't do it upside down, because at first we did put it upside down and it was a total chaos, but we got it done. Once again, you guys want this exact camera in your car, make sure to hit up Mangoal. I'll leave all the links down below so you guys can see. Pretty easy install, as you guys see. OEM all the way. So it just replaces the cover that you had before, and now you get covered footage all the time. And then the back one in the back, you guys can see it right there, still looking OEM. But yeah, it looks super good. You guys see it's already connected to the phone. So this is the rear one. Make sure you guys don't put it upside down, because we're about to do that mistake where it was going to be upside down, and that would have been super bad. Well, not really bad, because it's sending you another extra square. So that orange message you see on the screen is just the memory card. We haven't put it in yet. You're just tucking in all the wire, but pretty simple job. I would say about an hour, huh?
Yeah, about an hour.
1 hour job. Don't do it on a hot day though.
Most important.
Yeah, most important, no hot day. Once again, you want to get this dash cam for your car, your 2 Series car. Hit up Mangoal. You go on their website. I'll leave all the links down in the description down below, so you guys could go check them out. And right now we'll post some footage of us driving once we're all done, so you guys can see how the front and the back looks. And yeah, we do not need 2 people doing it, but it was better just so you guys can see the angles in different directions on the install. So that's why I did that. Had my friend helping me on the M235i. But that's gonna be the install. I'm gonna put some more videos here of us driving so you guys can see the quality of the video from the rear and in the front, and with audio. And also you can turn off the audio, you save all the videos and get to your memory card. It also comes in with an SD card of 128 gigs, which is really good. But yeah, we'll do that video right now.
Yeah, what up, Pops?
The mom was looking for the soda.
Alright, so now I'm done with the video, with the whole entire video. The only thing I do wish about this dash cam that I wish it had would be a recording speed, like the miles per hour. Just because if you guys see my prior video, I had a different dash cam. It did break, but I had a different dash cam, and it gave me coordinates and the miles per hour, which was good because you guys know the CarMax drove my car super harsh, and I was able to track the miles, and I sent that to CarMax and they were able to see and prove all that was real. So that was one thing that I wish this one would have. But other than that, this camera is OEM looking, looks really good. It looks clear, and it has a good mic. So if you had to get like voices and all that, as you guys could tell, and it's past clip. So that was just my only thing that I wish it would have had. All the install, it was pretty easy. So links are going to be down below. Go give them a follow on Instagram and also follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to turn on post notifications, like, comment, subscribe, and on to the next video. Peace.